Hello guys, been a while, huh? Well, today, I will be putting myself into some torment for the third time to watch some more Emoji Cat cringe. I don't think I'll be doing this again after this, but if you guys really want me to do one grand finale, get this video to 750 likes. Anyways, enjoy the video!
Stop recording me!
Alright bro, name one person that affected. What did you expect to get from this video?
Tricky disco.
Are you serious right now, bro? How do your parents feel having to deal with such a kid like this? This ain't tough, buddy. No. But like genuinely, what were you thinking while making this video? This is just gonna get you more hate. Okay, I'm just gonna stop right there. Because genuinely, what am I looking at? This has gotta be rage bait. There is no way someone is just gonna make this abomination of a video and click post.
Are you ready?
What?
Bring it back.
Alright, bro, what was that? I did not want my poor eyes to look upon something like that.
Coco, я тут, меня зовут Лазурь, вокруг.
That video was so corny, let me just check the comments.
Вокруг, с тобой вроде уют.
Bro, I don't think posting a Dandy's World GIF is going to help out much in this situation. You just made everything more corny. I swear, bro, if I hear one more video with that stupid noise in the background, I'm gonna genuinely crash out. I've heard countless videos with this audio, and the more I hear it, the more it pisses me off.
1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, buckle some more. 5, 6, Nike kicks. Oh, that was so 5.
I can't find Emoji Cat Baby on my house.
Yeah, this was probably the most corny thing I've seen today. Do you seriously think there's gonna be a real Emoji Cat Baby in your house? Womp womp, buddy, you're never gonna find one. Well, that's it. The torment is finally over. Unless I get to 750 likes on this video, though. Anyways, sorry for this being another short video. Throughout the summer, I will try to push out 6 or more minute videos so you guys have more to watch. Other than that, goodbye everyone. Have a blessed day.